We hope to provide customers with more convenient choices and directions in products, so everyone can benefit from solar energy. Our company always focus on independent research and development to meet different market needs. After collecting customer suggestions, this UPS is a new generation of dual conversion power designed and manufactured by the company, which integrates the application needs, experience and latest research and development achievements of industry customers for many years, effectively improves product performance, safety and system reliability, and realizes integration, intelligence and miniaturization of higher power density. It is widely used in industrial control occasions such as iron and steel, chemical industry and industrial automation distributed control system, industrial local area network server, power system, communication base station server and other high reliability and high security industrial applications. UPS has the functions of power on self-test, bypass automatic taking over, rich alarm display and fault information recording, which provides strong support for fault analysis and diagnosis. The system adopts integrated tower design and phase-controlled rectifier to ensure that the high voltage cannot enter the UPS, and can detect the battery at any time, with the function of joint power supply.